बैक टू माई चैनल। सो आज सुबह सुबह हम लोग साउथ गोवा पहुँचे हैं और ये बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी में हम लोग स्टे कर रहे हैं, एक हर्ट रिजॉर्ट में। एंड सो ब्यूटीफुल, मैं सारी डिटेल्स आपको दूंगी कैप्शन में, तो आप ज़रूर चेक करना। नाउ लेट्स गो टू बीच फॉर सनसेट। लेट्स गो। Okay, a quick room tour for you guys. Here we are at Cozy Santan Beach House, just 5 minutes away from Palolium Beach. I am telling you guys, the location is really so ideal, close to the beach and surrounded by a really great cafes. Whether you are here for a weekend getaway or extend stay, Santan Beach House offers a blend of comfort and it is really so beautiful property. Highly recommended you guys. And finally we are at the beach and look at this beauty. Oh my god. I can't even express you in words. So freaking good. Okay, so we found these cute little spots that giving major beachy dinner vibes, fairy light music, and it's a whole mood, guys. Hi guys, so today is day 2 in South Goa and today we are going to Kabudarama beach, kayaking and many more activities. So let's go. We are at Kabudarama beach and oh my god, look at this beauty first. So beautiful. I just have no words to express this beach. This is Kabudarama beach and as you can see, so freaking good and beautiful, amazing, and the view is just amazing. Alright, we have landed at Zayo Cafe for breakfast. It is literally right on the beach and so aesthetic. It's giving a very good morning vibes, chill playlist and zero rush vibe of course. And the view is just 10 on 10 as you can see. Okay, so for breakfast today, I went with something classy and comforting, fluffy pancakes with syrup and a big loaded sandwich because I am so hungry. Okay, so now we are at the Pebble Beach, just 6 minutes away from Cabo de Rama Beach, and the views. It is looking so beautiful and so gorgeous, just stunning. It is really so beautiful. You have to come here. The views are so amazing. A very little track is there from the fort, so you can easily come here and enjoy the beautiful beach views. Kayaking at Kola Beach in South Goa during the afternoon offer a very good experience. The fresh water surrounded by greenery provides an ideal setting and a very good experience for beginners as well. Best time to embark on a kayaking adventure are early mornings or late afternoons. Very good experience. Must do activity in South Goa. Okay, so as you can see, we already done kayaking in Kola Beach and it was beautiful. Really a very good experience while doing kayaking. So yeah, that's all about it. Okay, so now we are going for lunch to eat some Goan food like fish thali and all. So let's go there. Hi guys, as you can see, today is the last evening, last sunset in Goa. So now we are at Palolem Beach near our hotel only. And yeah, I am too excited to see sunset over here. So let's explore.
Was the name. Through the night we fell in love. My heart was goodbye. The Spanish night is over. The wind and the wind play. You went away from me. What went back to me this minute? Bring your love to me, don't send it.
ओके सो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं बीच पे टू सी सनराइज़ और अभी 8:30 हो रहा है और बहुत ही सुंदर सनराइज़ हो रहा है. सो लेट्स गो सनराइज़ देखने चलते हैं. एंड अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं मॉर्निंग सनराइज़ देखने पलोलियम बीच में. एंड या एवरीथिंग वाज सो प्रिटी एंड सो ब्यूटीफुल. लेट्स गो. सो नाउ एट मॉर्निंग हम सनराइज़ देखने पलोलियम बीच आए थे और हमने नाइट भी पलोलियम बीच में ही स्पेंड किया था, जो कि बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है एज यू कैन सी. सो या दैट इज़ आवर मॉर्निंग इन गोवा, आवर लास्ट मॉर्निंग इन गोवा. Okay, so here is the final ending of the vlog. Well, it's wrap uh, on our South Goa adventure, and it was totally fun, amazing, and really so relaxing trip and the unforgettable journey. Whether it was Goan delicacies, every hidden gem over here, and also the food, the culture, we enjoyed it a lot. It was totally an unforgettable journey. Really so beautiful. The sunset, the sunrise, all the beaches, and especially kayaking. We enjoy a lot kayaking. The experience is so amazing, so beautiful. I can't even tell you in words how beautiful kayaking is. The sunset walks and the nature's beauty. Oh my god, South Goa is really heaven. You have to come here at least for once. You have to come here. So please go on food and every single thing, and the local farewell at yesterday night we had local farewell, which is really a very good experience. And yeah, that's all about it. Today is the last day and we are leaving for home. या अ लिटिल बिट नर्वस वी आर बिकॉज क्योंकि आज लास्ट डे है ट्रिप का, तो बिल्कुल भी ऐसे जाने का मन नहीं है. ये तो हर एक ट्रिप में होता है, बट या वी हैव टू गो होम. एंड या that's all about it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Okay, so until next time, remember that adventure is just in the corner. So do not forget to explore, create memories, explore. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I will see you guys next time.